Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Are you excited about Halloween?
Oh,
Are you excited for Halloween?
Hallo, hoe gaan dit? Is jy opgewonde oor Halloween?
Hi. Yes, I'm really looking forward to Halloween.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
hallo. Ja, ek sien regtig uit na Halloween.
What are you planning to do on that day?
What are you planning to do?
Wat beplan jy om op daardie dag te doen?
I'm going to a costume party with some friends.
We're going to a costume party.
Gaan ek na 'n kostuumparty met 'n paar vriende.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
I think that sounds like a lot of fun, guys. Hey,
Dit klink baie pret.
I'm thinking of dressing up as a witch.
Upon to see if she's a witch.
What about you?
What about you?
Ek dink daaraan om as 'n heks aan te trek. En jy?
I've decided to dress up as a vampire.
Who dresses up like a vampire?
Ek het besluit om as 'n vampier te verkleed.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
It's going to be so much fun.
It's going to be so much fun.
Dit is fantasties. Dit gaan soveel pret wees.
Definitely.
Right? Definitely.
I can't wait to go trick-or-treating.
Trick or treat! Trick or treat!
Beslis. Ek kan nie wag om snoep soek te gaan nie.
Me too.
Me too. Me too.
Halloween is such an exciting holiday.
We are so excited for Halloween.
Ek ook nie. Halloween is so 'n opwindende vakansie.
Do you have any favorite Halloween candies?
Give me your Halloween candy.
Het jy enige gunsteling Halloween snoepgoed?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, definitely, man.
I love chocolate bars and gummy worms.
It's got gummy worms? O, beslis. Ek is mal oor sjokoladereepies en gomwurms.
I'm a big fan of candy corn and lollipops.
Lollipop.
Ek is 'n groot aanhanger van snoepmielies en lollipops.
Now, let's repeat with us.
Hi.
Hallo,
Excited.
opgewonde.
Halloween.
Halloween,
Day.
dag,
Costume party.
kostuumparty,
Trick-or-treating.
snoepsoek,
Candy corn.
snoepmielies,
Witch.
trek,
Holiday.
vakansie,
Definitely.
beslis.